Come online, Ààrẹ Almaroof. Akí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Èmi máa sọ Yorùbá. Ìyá mi introduce ara yín.
Yes, here is live and direct your sister, Dr. Wunmi Lawal. We are here live and direct in Washington, D.C.
That's right.
In front of the White House. We are here to put our father, grandfather, President Joe Biden, and Mama Kamala Harris, the Vice President, on notice. We want them to know there's a genocide going on at home in the contraption called Nigeria. The Yoruba people, the people that are making the money for the whole nation, we are here telling them we are ready to exit. We are ready to go and be a nation. Enough of this genocide.
Yes.
And we can't take it anymore. We gotta go. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now, brother mi, Jide, introduce ara yín, wọ́n wò yín live and direct.
Orúkọ mi ni Evangelist Jide Ige. Ajínrere Ọlọ́run alààyè tí kìí ṣe Ọlọ́run àwọn òkú. Èmi wà níbí lówùúrọ̀ yìí láti jínrere ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti gbogbo ohun mèremère ohun dúdú tó wà nú ẹ̀. Ìhìnrere ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lèmi wá síbí lówùúrọ̀ yìí láti wá jẹ́ ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀. I am the founder and presenter of Odua Media Group, registered in New York, agitating for Yoruba Nation. Thank you very much.
No more Nigeria. Brother mi, Fitila, online.
Oh yeah. Fitila lèmi jẹ́ Túndé Ọmọtẹ́jú Oṣó, gbogbo house, ẹgbó yẹn máa bọ̀. No more Nigeria. Yeah. Yoruba Nation. I want níwájú White House by. Yeah, I'm representing Royal Link TV. Okay? Yeah, peace.
Oh, myself. Okay, thank you.
Okay, now, Ààrẹ Almaroof lórúkọ mi.
Oh, thank you.
Gbogbo àwọn tá wà níbí. I stand for Ọmọ Yorùbá Odùduwà.
I sent it to you.
Oh, share another link. Anything here?
Okay, please do.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Latin system.
Right now,
Àsìkò
tá wà yìí, Nigeria. Kò sọ̀rọ̀ Nigeria mọ́. My program is already being shared.
Okay, so
144. Come in and share this.
Yeah, share.
This is White House.
Yes.
Certainly. Yes. White House now.
Arrest wa.
Nobody arrest us.
Nobody is shooting at us.
You have rights to say whatever you want.
Nobody is kidnapping us.
Nobody is kidnapping anybody.
A stationary.
Yeah. It's okay. But we just have to say something.
Ara wa ò lè balẹ̀ nígbà tó bá ti lọ Yorùbá. Wọ́n máa dá wọn dí sí lẹ́nìí.
There's nothing like Nigeria no more. People are killing us everywhere, every day.
The genocide needs to stop.
Everywhere. The
We are waiting for you for Yoruba.
Is
Yoruba national anthem.
Amalgamation yẹn ó ti hẹ́ láti 2014. Yes. 2014 ni amalgamation yẹn ti rẹ̀. Yeah, Motiri is okay. Amalgamation is done in 2014. No more Nigeria. We want to stand as Oduduwa nation. We want to stand by ourselves. We want to stand as Yoruba people. We want to stand by ourselves. We're ready to go.
We got everything it takes.
Ready not to kiss us anybody more. Ready not to kiss us more. I will afford you more.
Media group bringing this to you.
Oduduwa Media, yes.
DC White House. I have here with me my brother, all the way from Washington DC, Alhaji Al-Maruf. Alhaji Al-Maruf. I have Dr. Wumi Lawal all the way from Maryland. After the let's play national anthem.
Okay.
Okay.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká dúró fún national anthem then.
Meet everybody.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Unmute yourself, Koiki. Koiki, please unmute your device and start the Yoruba national anthem again.
Share show, please. Share it. This is no matter of Shaga.
Everybody should remain muted. If you don't want me to kick you out, please remain muted. The program has started officially. Remain muted on my Zoom or I will kick you out.
That's right.
Zero tolerance, please. Zero tolerance. Let us respect ourselves. Let us respect ourselves. We are going into a new nation, Yoruba independent nation. Consistent, really. Yes, sir.
So, like I was saying,
sorry. Okay. Please start the Yoruba national anthem and the Biafra national anthem again. Everybody, please mute yourself and respect yourself and remain muted. When I mute you, remain muted.
And you about to mute, can't kick it out. Please, share. This is White House.
Remain muted.
Shetiri, I want to go on Alabodi Omo Yoruba. I want to stand the full wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin onísọkúsọ onítùkùtù White House lélẹ́yìí o. This is Washington DC. Ẹgbọ́n ti máa ń pera mi ní Aláàfin Washington wọ́n bẹ̀rù. Tẹ́ bá wò ó sọ wa lókè. Ó dẹ̀ ń rìkọ́dù wa. Live and direct. We want Joe Biden to come and help us.
Secret services
Secret services looking at us. Enough. Joe Biden to step out and come and help us. Come and help the so-called Nigerian 419. We are tired of all this nonsense. All we need is Yoruba nation.
Now.
Yes. All we need is Yoruba nation now.
And we are not backing down. We are not retreating. We are not surrendering. Regardless of what they might want to do.
Thank you, ma.
Yes.
Yes.
Please mute yourself.
See, Yoruba nation, that's what we want, ma. Yoruba nation now.
Help us tell Biden.
We are tired of we are tired of this Nigeria. We are tired of we are tired of what they call Nigeria.
We are tired of the genocide killing of our people.
Yes.
Our great people. Yes. We are tired and sick and tired of the Fulani hegemony government in Nigeria. There is no Nigeria. There are nations within Nigeria, and we therefore not ready any longer. The Yoruba people are not ready. We are not ready to be subjugated as a people. We are not ready to be controlled. All our resources have been mismanaged, being wasted by the Fulani government. We no longer want to be in Nigeria contraption. We are ready to go. London, Britain have already gone. They have accepted European Union. Why can't Yoruba people get out of the contraption called Nigeria? We are people of intellect.
Please
we are
share.
We are ready to go. My people, don't be afraid to stand up and talk for your nation. We cannot allow Fulani to keep us killing us. We are ready to go. We are live and direct.